This is the 2003 Honda Odyssey minivan, and today we're going to remove the midsection seats here. We're doing a deep clean under them, getting the van cleaned up so somebody can use it. And we also we're going to haul a small refrigerator, apartment size refrigerator. So we're going to take the seats out, but first what I want to show you is how to remove the seats and then how to put them back in. And hopefully I'll show you how to move this seat to this outside position. You see these two covers right here, this cover and this cover. Those can be taken out and then moved to the inside position, and then the seat moved to the outside of the van. So if somebody wants more room in the middle of the van, they can change those seats. So real quickly, let me go ahead and move this seat forward, show you the controls. The controls are this black bar right here under the front of the seat. This is it right here, the black bar. And then to release the seat so you can remove it is this handle right here. It pulls forward. So you just pull that forward and that releases the latch on the back side of the seats so you can flip the seats forward and pull them out. So I'm going to use that black bar and this release latch here. Now there's also another latch here that it just lets the seat go down and go up. So I'm going to leave it in that down position, and let me set my camera up over here. Go ahead and I'm going to slide the seat forward so I have more working room, and then I will lift the seat forward. Let me do it from the other side so maybe it'll be easier to see. So I move this is my lever, move it forward, and then the latch under the corner that we just showed. Don't go too far forward, you won't be able to reach the latch. So put it about in the middle, pull the latch out, and then just roll the seat forward, and the seat comes right out. So that's the seat coming out right there. Okay, now I want to show you how to move these. You move this to the inside position like this if you want to reset this back. If you want to reset this to the outside, you move those to the inside. You set the front back in, and then you put the back down, snap it, and it's back in. So you use this release, let your seat back up. You just move your seat from the other position to the outside position. Now quickly I'm going to go ahead and take this seat out again because we want to leave them out for cleaning and for hauling. Back, roll it out. That seat's out of the way. I'm going to move it out of the van, and then I'll do the same thing with this seat on the other side. Forward, release it, forward, and it's out. Take them both out that side. Thanks for watching our YouTube videos. I'd ask you to subscribe if these videos are helpful to you, and we'll try to do more on this Honda Odyssey van.